And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time. This spacecraft needs some pest control because there's rodents there.
Yeah,
there's some rats. There's
I get it.
3 rats in this spacecraft.
Oh no.
My name's Gabor.
Hey, welcome. Seamless. Hey, I'm Alex. We're going to check out the Space Sound Spacecraft today.
Yes.
As implied by that rambling, it is a rat-styled overdrive pedal.
Yes. 3 rats in one.
See?
And it's a spacecraft.
Words happen.
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, to hear this lovely pedal, we're going through a Mozztronics Amp Switcher, OTS Mini 20 head, and a 2-note Torpedo, Captor X for the cab sims, IRs, and some reverb.
Yes.
Now,
and just want to mention right from the start, this was sent to us by Juan and Phoebe at Space Sounds.
Hello.
Guys, thank you so much for
hello from Earth.
We should really say Phoebe and Juan.
Ah, sure. Ladies.
Should be, ladies first. Yes. Hello from Earth. Hope you guys are well up there.
Come away from his planet.
So, the spacecraft. It's basically their take on a rat. Or not just one rat, but multiple rats. So you have general rat controls.
Sure.
So you've got volume, gain, and the filter.
Yep.
But then you have a 3-way switch where you go from, and I've got my little cheat sheet here just so I know what it is. So up is silicon diodes, the middle is red LEDs, and down is a BAT41 diode. So Batman's in there as well. Rats and bats. Rats and bats.
Spewing. They do sound quite different, so should we just start at the top?
Yes. Do you want to start with... What kind of guitar is it you're using there, Alex?
This is a Sire L7.
There's a video for it here. That's good.
Super rock and roll.
So yeah. So should we now try at that setting full gain?
Full gain.
Let's try the 3 different clipping diodes.
Careful, because one gets louder. Just a heads up.
It's good. Which one did you like the best?
I like it up.
Up? Okay. Well, let's check out the gain range then on up. There, sounds good. So that
sounds wicked.
Sounds really good, yeah.
Sounds out of this world.
Sounds, yeah. See what he did there?
Sorry. That's crap.
You stooped to my level.
Did.
Should we now with the lower gain? Should we try the 3 different
sure.
diodes? So I mean, if there is such a thing as lower really gain on a rad, I mean, yeah, I guess if you go down
it's
there,
not low, but it's lower.
Lower, yeah. quite like the bat.
Nailed it. Oh, the down, yeah. That's,
Down, 'cause it's
very
big.
good too.
It's a big bat.
It's nice about a compression.
Let me try now with the PartsMaster Caster Blaster Master. Caster Master Blaster. There's a video for it here, and I always linked it down in the description below with some Martin A. Smith pickups. I think we're going to be mainly on the bridge pickup, which is a wide range style pickup. And let's turn the delay. It's a bit on a honky side. Without that, it sounds like this. Actually, middle sounds good with this guitar.
Punchy, innit?
In it. I think I like the middle position best with this. Dog has left the building.
Yeah.
Back in the middle. With this guitar, the middle sounds great. Should we try it with that guitar now?
Sure. It's clean sound.
I think I like down best again with this.
Maybe it's like my playing style.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Got to trail off there, hey?
Yeah.
But down works there.
Down, I think, works.
Woo! That's fun.
Sounds good. But what we all want to know is, how does it react? I mean, rats, low tunings.
Yeah.
We should really do bass with this too.
Yeah.
But instead of a bass at the moment, we have this, which is the DoomMaster, which is a Bagley guitar's aluminium neck, Vander guitar body, Descendant vibrato, mastery bridge, Curtis Novak, Thunderbird bass pickups for guitar, Justin Hermes, or Herod, custom anodized aluminium pickup and string switch noise wiring in C standard tuning And if you play an E chord, which is a C chord, it sounds like this. Middle again. Sorry?
That lower gain is like cool for the strummy thing.
Dig it. It's a good sounding rat. I like rats. I mean, I'm a fan of the rat.
So good.
It's baritone.
Before we go, let's have a spin on this. Sigma.
I like it. Definitely. I mean, rats work well with low tunings.
Do they?
Definitely handles low tuning really, really well.
Yeah.
And I do think the three-way switch makes it really versatile. Because, I mean, I think different guitars react quite differently. Different pickups maybe react quite differently. And it gives you an option to maybe tailor it more towards the guitar. Because, I mean, there was some where I thought down sounded way better than other times up sounded way better.
Like in the middle of that low gain thing, like. Oh, that's from a rat.
Yeah. Low gain, high gain.
This kind of little hairy distortion. That was not intended, actually.
Hairy distortion runs around in a spacecraft.
Because it's off under your furniture.
Yeah.
So yeah, I dig.
I think it's really cool. I mean, I'm a fan of rat style circuits anyway.
So that helps.
Likewise. I do think that one sounds really good. You know what we should do? We should do shoot up between a couple of the Australian-made rat style circuits that we've had recently, because I think we both liked both. Or was that third one? There was a fat, and there was this one. Was that another one?
The Daz one.
The Mozztronics one. Yes.
Yes.
We're doing all Australian rodent shootout. Bilby? No, that's not a rodent.
Yeah.
Australian rodent shootout. Oh, the Bandicoot. Bandicoot had
who did that?
Mozztronics.
Oh, of course.
It's a four-way.
Boy.
Menage a four. Anyway, I like it. I've got to say, Spacecraft.
Menage a four?
I really like. It's maybe a bit more of an acquired taste, but I do really like the look of them.
They're very
They have
likable.
very uniform look.
Yep.
A very sort of cartoony uniform look, and I do like it. It
Yeah.
has a very sort of in the 50s what they thought of the future
Yeah.
kind of look. But I like how it's you look at one of their pedals, and from a distance you know it's one of theirs because it has a uniformity to the look, just different colors. So I do really like what they do. They're also very affordable pedals, so go and check them out. And you're supporting two really lovely people from Australia, especially if you're in Australia.
What do you guys
Check
think?
them out.
Comments below. Also, the links below to Instagram, Facebook, and podcast. Check that out if you've got a second. And thanks again to Space Sounds.
Yes, Phoebe and Juan.
Yeah. Thanks for hanging.
Muchas gracias.
We should see you soon.
Bye.
Au revoir. Au revoir.